Attention coffee lovers. If you're a fan of Starbucks, I've got an amazing trick to get you a free Starbucks promo code today. Head over to easecoupon.co/Starbucks on your browser. This site is trusted and always updated to provide the newest promo codes. Enter your email address and make sure it's typed correctly so your code arrives in your inbox. After that, select your device, iOS or Android, and hit Continue to start generating the code. Now, to confirm you're a real user and not a bot, you'll need to complete a simple verification step. Download 2 free apps from the App Store. These apps are safe and come from reputable publishers. Open and use each app for about a minute. Some might even ask you to complete a small task like reaching level 9 in a game. It's quick and totally worth it because soon you'll have your promo code in hand. I'll speed up the process while I complete the verification and show you how easy it is. Done? My Starbucks promo code is ready and it's waiting in my inbox. Now I can enjoy my favorite drinks at a discount. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing hacks like this. Cheers!